Hello, my loves. Welcome to yet another wash day. I'm going to be showing you guys how I am preparing my hair to go into protective styling. It is going into the colder months, so it's almost winter in SA. And as you can see, my scalp is a little bit flaky. My scalp has been a little bit dry, so I'm going to do a moisture wash day today. But first, I'm going to do a hot oil treatment. If you don't know the benefits of a hot oil treatment, I highly suggest that you would go on to Google and type in benefits of a hot oil treatment. It has helped my hair a lot during hot oil treatments on every other wash day. So today I'm going to be using my Palesa blend oil, and we're going to warm the oil up in some like hot water, and we're going to apply it to my hair and scalp. We'll let it sit for a bit, let it work its magic, and then we'll get into the wash day. So first things first, I detangled my hair, and I'm now just putting it in 4 sections. Twisting my hair up like this helps me to focus on one specific section at a time, and it just makes my hair more manageable and easier to work with. I don't know if you guys can see it, but my hair is pitch black again. I don't know what it is that's making my hair this dark, but I'm really happy about it. All the brown bits are gone. So first, I'm going to spray my hair with the Palesa hydration mist, and I'm doing this because applying hot oil on dry hair doesn't work really well for me. It doesn't get absorbed, so I just dampen my hair with like a hydration spray. If you don't have that, use some warm water. That will work just the same. There's my oil. I just used a smaller bottle this time because the big bottles are quite slippery when I use them. So I'm just massaging the oil from the roots to the tips, also applying it to my scalp. You'll feel it feels so nice to have warm oil applied onto your scalp. That helps with blood circulation, and it will help in stimulating your follicles for good hair growth. Once I'm done with this section, I do twist my hair up again just to keep it out of the way. Don't mind me rolling my eyes. I'm watching old seasons of The Real House of Beverly Hills, and Dorit was being silly. Now the last section of my hair is done. I've applied oil all over. I am going to go in with the oil just in my parts again and apply it onto my new growth just to make sure my new growth is soft. I did not have any shower caps in the house, so I just used some cling wrap and wrapped my hair up, and then I went and put a warm towel on my hair just to, create some heat, because obviously heat is very good for hair when you are deep conditioning or doing hot oil treatments. So I'm doing this just to keep the temperature in there nice and warm. This is the hair that shed from detangling and applying the oil, and you can see it's not that much. And I left that hot oil in for about 30 to 40 minutes, and this is me waiting for the water to get right. Today's shampoo is the Almond Avocado Sulfate Free Shampoo from Design Essentials. This is an amazing moisturizing shampoo, and my hair cannot get enough of this shampoo. So I'm going to lather it up nicely. I lost the clip of me rinsing the oil out. Just make sure you rinse the oil out very thoroughly with warm water and then apply your shampoo. Because I was experiencing flakes on my scalp, I really did concentrate on rubbing that shampoo in and like thoroughly cleansing my scalp. And then I washed it out and I repeated the shampoo step again. So this is shampooing part 2, and as you can see, I'm not using my nails. I'm using the flat part of my fingers to wash my scalp. Don't use your nails. You're going to scratch your scalp and you're going to cause irritations and possible infections. You don't want that. Use the tips of your fingers to wash your hair. Rinse out the shampoo thoroughly, and then we are going to wring out any excess water. You guys can see my hair is just I'm admiring it. Like, we're doing a good job with the comeback, if I say so myself. So I'm doing hydrating conditioners today, deep conditioners. I'm going to mix the two. I had the My Natural Hair Hydration Mask Pack and my favorite Almond Avocado Deep Moisture Mask. I'm going to mix the two because this hydration pack was headed for expiry and I didn't want it to get wasted. So I just said, let me mix it together. And let me tell you, that was possibly the best idea I have ever copied. I got this idea from my favorite hairlicious. She asked if you mix your favorite conditioners, and I said, ma'am, I'm going to try it, and I did. So if you don't know, I like to add oils to my deep conditioners on wash day. So I added my Bella Money oil. This orange oil is the Jamaican black castor oil, and I added just a bit of that. Mix it all together, and then it is time to slather it on my hair. Again, take small sections of hair so that all the hair can get a chance to get the deep conditioner. So I'm just moving up. You can apply from root to tip or from tip to root, whatever makes sense for you. And that is all I'm doing, as you can see. Moving it down, so also making sure that all the strands are coated. Focusing on my ends because I do still have some dry tips there. I will go in for a trim. I'm just not sure when, but right now I feel like I need a protective style because I've been styling my hair a lot and wearing buns, and you know that manipulation can't be good for length retention. So this is the last bit of hair, and as you can see, I lathered up that conditioner so nicely. It feels really good on the hair. It was slightly thicker than when I use either or, so mixing them together was a great idea. I'm definitely getting more of the hydration packs to mix with my Design Essentials Deep Moisture Mask. And once that's done, again I use cling wrap, and then I am going to double my heat caps. So I'm using 2 heat caps today just for that extra heat. Today I'm going to leave my deep conditioner on for slightly longer. I normally do 15 to 20 minutes. Today I set my timer and I said 40 minutes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit down, have a cup of tea, because that will help raise my body temperature and that will go up to my scalp, and you know, heat is good and all of that good stuff. After 40 minutes, I took the cling wrap off, and then I just undid the twist so I could wash my hair nicely. It feels so nice. I'm not going to lie to you. This is going to be my new routine for moisture wash day. My hair does need a lot of extra moisture. Dryness is the enemy. So this is what I am going to be doing, and I'm glad I caught it on camera so you guys can see it. But yeah, I've rinsed out that deep conditioner thoroughly. Going to wring my hair gently, and then I am going to t-shirt dry my hair. I forgot to bring my leave-in conditioner with me into the shower. I realized applying leave-in conditioner immediately after rinsing the conditioner out does my hair good. So this is after about 10 minutes of t-shirt drying. You will see along the length of my hair that there is some texture, but that is from relaxer being done incorrectly, I think, or under processed hair. So I'm applying a leave-in conditioner from Design Essentials. This is the Bamboo Silk Leave-In Conditioner. This also works as a heat protectant or a protectant for when you're using thermal styling tools. And then I'm going in with the Almond Avocado Daily Moisturizing Lotion, just for that added moisture. This is a lightweight, non-greasy moisturizing lotion, and I love it. So I just applied it, and then I went and I sectioned my hair. I am back to using my hairdryer comb because ever since the trim, I've got less knots and my hair tangles less. So the comb is working out very good for me. So I'm back to using the comb. My hairdryer is on medium heat, not full blown. So it's in between cool and warm setting. And I'm just making sure to dry my roots very thoroughly. Having wet roots will give you funky, you will have smelly hair, and the plan is for me to get cornrows, so I had to make sure my hair was thoroughly dried. You can already see there's like new growth developing there, and I'm very happy about that. It's 2 weeks after relaxer, but I was already starting to feel some coils on my scalp, and I'm like, well done. These weekly washes are doing the things. So I applied the ORS moisturizing lotion on my hair just to give it some slip because I am getting my hair cornrowed. Cornrowing dry hair is going to make them rip and tear your hair, so just be sure to apply like a little bit of something that will give it some slick, right? And then I went in again with my blow dryer, this time on a low setting, just to work that product through my hair. But I am so happy, you guys, and I'm so ready to get my hair cornrowed because I am tired of having to style and comb it every day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in my next one.